to delete a Roblox game. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox, log into your account, then click on your name at the top. After you've clicked on your name at the top, you'll find your profile. In here, click on Creations. In Creations, you'll find your game. Simply click on the game you want to delete. After that, in here, click on three dots at the top right. After you click on three dots, you will find Option and click on Configure this place. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, on the left side, click on Back to Places. After you've clicked on Back to Places, you'll find your game in here. Click on your game, three dot at the top. After that, you'll find these options. At the last, click on Archive. After you have done that, simply click on OK. As you can see, archiving experience makes it private, so only you can play. Any running servers will be shut down. And this is how to delete a Roblox game. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.